Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be making this Afang soup with your chicken money. Yes, food way sweep na hand we cook and buy am. So we have different protein, we have stockfish, dried fish and goat meat inside this pot. And at this point I've added the quantity of water I'll be using for the soup. Then sliced onion will follow suit. And then I'll add my favorite Ghana black pepper. This pepper, you can use any pepper of your choice, but I prefer this one because of its taste and flavor. Yeah, I'll then add seasoning cube and then salt for taste. I'll then cover and allow it to steam. I'll check back after 10 minutes to see if the rishi is soft enough. And yeah, it is. I'll have to take it into a different place, set aside, return the pot back on the fire, and then add one of the chief hosts. This is water leaf. Anyways, I'll introduce it to the empty pot. Then the rishi come over. I will now introduce the rishi on top of the water leaf. Hope you are seeing what is happening here. Then after which I will add enough crayfish. I used enough. When I say enough crayfish to have a very tasty soup. Then palm oil. I will then cover. Come back after 5 minutes and it's already looking kutu. Hey, everywhere na aroma. Then this is okaji leaf. Yes, okaji leaf, well sliced and washed. After, I will then stir, taste for salt, and then allow it to steam for just 5 minutes. Then I will add smoked fish. This is the next ingredient, the next protein. Yeah, I added it last because it's already soft, it is smoked. Yeah. And after, I will just cover for 2 minutes, then come back. And at this point, let me use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers, my new subscribers, everyone seeing this video to this moment. You see the soup, it is for you. It is for you. Thank you for your love. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And if you are still contemplating whether to subscribe or not, please do well and subscribe. If you are seeing it on Facebook, please follow this page. And if you are seeing it on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel, because you see this portion of soup, it is for you. To you, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers, and my new followers, and my new and old followers, thank you for watching. Love you.